So I folded the circle into four and spread it again, rolled it again, so that way we get layers. So my roti is ready. My pan, I'm just waiting for my pan to heat it up. Then we can make two rotis, chop it, and my curry is really ready. Now we can turn that off and focus on the roti now. This is one big roti. So let's focus on that. You can add oil. I'm not going to add oil. Up to you. So this is my second roti. Just fold this into four, then roll it again. And then roll it again. Oh, look at my beautiful roti. It's I already turned to one side. Let it brown a bit more. It's like puffing up. Let's turn it. Good to go. So hot. Okay. That's a nice soft roti. Okay, I'm cutting my roti. I'm going to cut into very, very tiny pieces. Any other rotis going on the side. Okay, in a pan I'm adding just a little bit of finely chopped onions and green chilies. And my roti is ready here on the side. Okay, I brought it to my board now. I'm going to add in the gravy, the roti pieces, and I'll be using a cup to, that's what it means, kothu, right? So you have to chop it. So that's what I'm going to do. If you like eggs, you should use the egg. Take away all the big spices from the curry. You can use it when on the stove top. Do the egg also, but I'm not. So if your stove top is not strong enough, you can bring it to the board and then you just so this is pretty much a mix up. Okay, now you can taste it and add some. I'm adding lime. I didn't add the lime to the curry yet, so I'm just adding it here. And this is it, guys. This is my kothu roti. You can bring it back to the stove to give it a little bit of heat if you want. So that's what I'm doing. Bringing back to the stove. Bring it to a little bit of heat. Will do the magic for us. At this point you can add in the egg if you want. And taste the salt and the lime, how it is. Right. This is it, guys. And I will catch you up with another exciting recipe. Bye for now.